Panasonic introduced two impressive additions to their camera lineup in 2023, the Lumix S5 II and Lumix G9 II. While these models share some similarities, it's essential to explore the key differences, especially for professionals who are deciding between these Micro Four Thirds and full-frame mirrorless cameras. Let's take a deeper look at how these two models compare. The Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II has a compact and durable body design. It's constructed with a full metal frame and is weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture. The camera is designed to be comfortable to hold and has a deep grip that makes it easy for you to hold securely. It also features a variety of buttons and dials that are designed to be easily accessible, allowing for quick adjustments to settings. S5 Mark II comes with a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which can be tilted and flipped to make it easy to compose shots from high and low angles. Its high-resolution electronic viewfinder allows you to view your photos with minimal lag, even in bright outdoor conditions. Moreover, the camera has a dual card slot that supports UHS-2 SD, making it easier to increase storage capacity and add flexibility when shooting.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Now, instead of sticking to the original DSLR-like concept of the Lumix G9, the G9 II takes a more modern approach. In terms of its physical design, the G9 II closely resembles the S5 II, to the point where they could easily be mistaken for one another. However, there are trade-offs. You lose features like the top LCD and the front FN lever, but you get several ergonomic improvements in return. These include twin dials for better control, a more prominent autofocus selector, and a dedicated dial for continuous shooting. One area where there hasn't been significant improvement is the electronic viewfinder, which still has a resolution of 3680K dots and a slightly reduced magnification of 0.8x. On the other hand, the rear articulating LCD has seen a substantial upgrade, which results in a detailed and bright shooting experience even when you're shooting in direct sunlight. Despite the weight remaining the same as the old model, this Micro Four Thirds camera body may strike you as relatively large for its category. Lumix S5 Mark II features a full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor that is designed to deliver high-quality images and videos. It's paired with the Venus engine, which helps to provide excellent image quality and accurate color reproduction. And this powerful sensor is powered by a newly developed image processing engine, L2, co-developed by Lumix and Leica. So this sensor and imaging engine enables the S5 Mark II to shoot 6K at 30 FPS in 4x2x0 10-bit, and you can shoot in 4K at 60 FPS with a Super 35 crop. The sensor can also shoot 96 megapixel multi-shot high-resolution photos and up to 30 FPS e-shutter shooting with C autofocus and RAW capture. It also features dual native ISO technology, which helps to reduce noise in low-light conditions. Its fast and accurate autofocus system works well in both stills and video modes. In contrast, under the exterior, the G9 II features a freshly designed 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor matched with a completely new processing engine. Through the use of a high-resolution pixel shift mode, the G9 II can now generate 100 megapixel images even when held by hand. The upgraded autofocus system not only enables quicker and more precise focusing, thanks to an expanded 779 phase detection autofocus system known as hybrid phase autofocus, but it also introduces more advanced subject recognition and tracking algorithms. In addition to the vastly improved autofocus capabilities, the camera excels in the realm of video, offering resolutions of 5.7K at 60p and 4K at 120p. Panasonic has also made significant enhancements to its image stabilization system, now providing up to 8 stops of in-body stabilization. For still photography, the camera's Micro Four Thirds sensor shines, particularly when you need greater reach for capturing sports or wildlife moments due to its 2x crop factor. The biggest inclusion on the Lumix S5 Mark II is the on-sensor phase detection autofocus, which Panasonic is using for the very first time. Compared to traditional contrast autofocus, phase detection autofocus is faster and more accurate. This hybrid autofocus system combined depth awareness with their subject recognition tracking system. Along with the new PDAF, the in-body image stabilization is also upgraded. One important addition to the camera is the ability to shoot full sensor height 3x2 open gate video. This provides crop into various aspect ratios or to pan around the frame in post at up to 30 FPS. It can stretch the footage horizontally to give a real-time D-squeeze preview. Other than these, it offers 14 plus stop V-Log V-Gamut capture and industry standard LUT functions, enabling color grading while previewing the shot. And when shooting in V-Log mode, Lumix G9 II can record in 4x2x0 10-bit, delivering an impressive dynamic range of up to 13 stops. Moreover, it supports recording in the Apple ProRes format and allows for direct recording to an external SSD. Another significant change that will have a substantial impact is the new dual output gain system. Panasonic explains this as a system with two separate readout pads that receive different gain levels, and then these two signals are merged or combined. Users also have the ability to create and install real-time lookup tables, or LUTs, directly onto the camera, and these LUTs can be applied to both photos and videos. The camera comes with 19 pre-made LUTs, which now include the new Leica monochrome option. Panasonic took its time announcing the successor to the highly regarded G9 camera. The only confusing aspect of the new Panasonic Lumix G9 II is that Panasonic does not seem to be marketing it as a robust camera for both photo and video, despite its capabilities. This may be an effort to avoid competing with the GH6 in Panasonic's lineup, as the G9 II's video features fall just short of the GH6. However, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II and Lumix G9 II are two highly praised cameras from Panasonic, each with standout features that make them distinct. Micro Four Thirds fans will likely be intrigued by the G9 II, but the Lumix S5 II with its new Phase Detect autofocus system is also a compelling option. For those needing more video capabilities, the Lumix S5 IIX with additional codecs and ProRes options for post-production flexibility may be the way to go. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.